Happy morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.R.C.A.S College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss the subject ethical hacking. In this, we are going to discuss the topic basics of cybersecurity. So digitalized informations we are going to protect from malicious actions. That's what we used to call as in cyber security. So which involves tools and techniques as well as the practice of protecting the devices, networks, systems, and then data or else informations from cyber attack, or else we used to say unauthorized access. So we are going to prevent from the damages in digitalized way. Importance of cybersecurity, the main importance is to prevent the data from theft and also damages, identify the fraud, ensures the operational continuity. It's going to build the trustworthy in digital ecosystems. So the process of the as well as the main importance is to protect the personal data. So that's very important. So we have to maintain the secrecy in our private data, and then helps preserves the reputations. We have to preserve our reputations, and then in order to develop our business sector, and then enhance the productivity. So we have to enhancing the productivity in order to maintain the safeguard process, and then better data management. So we have to manage the data in an efficacy way in order to avoid from malicious actions. We have to improve the cyber posture. Regularly we have to maintain the legal process that enhance the compliance as well as regulation compliance. So it helps to educate as well as we have to train our workforce. We have to train our work members in order to avoid the malicious attack. And also we have to maintain trust as well as creditability. It helps to maintain the trustworthy as well as streamline the access control. It's going to support the IT team. So these are the main importance of cybersecurity. Now let us discuss about the scope of cybersecurity. We have different types of security. The main importance security is to personal security, organizational security, and then national security. So the personal security means we have to maintain a privacy as well as we have to respect our privacy. So that's very important. It's an important ethics. Like personal informations, for example, your mail ID, personal mail ID, we have to maintain with full that step-by-step verifications, two-step verifications we have to follow. And then organizational level security, business oriented, many confidential data integrity process and all available in that. So that functionality process, so these and all we have to maintain the confidential. So that confidentiality secured process we have to maintain. So that very important. So that's what we used to say, organization level security, that national level security, that legal policies, legal process, legal protections. So these and all we have to maintain. That ethical hackers, they are going to follow their ethics, and based on that we have many protocols. So government sector and all many datas are there, so that we have to maintain proper national security level. So additional scopes is nothing but information security, network security, and then application security. So these are all important. In order to protect the data, we have to maintain the information security process protocols. And then network level security means like unwanted Wi-Fi and all we should not connect, unknown persons Wi-Fi we should not connect. In that we are going to face some hacking issues, as well as our data can theft by third parties. So through network many malicious actions will happen, so that we have to avoid. So that phishing attack, it's a very important cyber attack. So in that they will steal all our personal data. They will process with a link, that malicious link. If suppose unfortunately the third party, that user can click that particular link, all data will get steal. So that most probably many organization level personal data theft, so that and all happening because of phishing attack. So that we have to aware, we have to educate our users about the attacks, cyber attacks, and then many application oriented security. So these are the additional scope of security. Hope you understand about the cyber security basics. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.